Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix weak signal on Alcatel 1B. So first, scroll from the top, disable the mobile data and the Wi-Fi, and enable them back on. You can also disable the Bluetooth. Now, scroll even more to enable the airplane mode. Wait a couple of seconds and then disable it. Now we can go into the settings, network and internet right here. Then select the mobile data. Here we have the preferred network type to change to 432G auto. Then make sure to have the automatically select network enabled. That's pretty much it. You can also just restart your phone and move to an area with better internet coverage. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.